I'm replacing a vent valve for the canister underneath a Hyundai Elantra from the driver side back corner of the wheel, next to the gas tank and next to the actual canister itself. We do have right there. I went ahead and tied the little plug-in area for the little connector, just because I don't want it to get dirty, and just need to go ahead and unbolt it from those bolts and slap the new one on. It's pretty simple to take off, but just wanted to show you guys the location and also what the part may look like. See, it does have a little system here. Yeah, this pipe, or this tubing that ends up in that hose, that top hose that ends up at the bottom one, and that little connector, as you can see, goes right there. All we need to take out are those two bolts to be able to replace the part itself. Seems like it's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I might have to do a little part on having to replace the whole canister in itself here in a bit. If I do, please let me know if you guys want to see an update on that. Might have to drop the tank due to the fact of the area, or at least just loosen up those bolts, but cross that bridge when we get to it.